Another great thing that you can do with your TRACWelcome account once you are logged in is to place holds on items. So let's say we wanted to see the 19th Christmas by James Patterson to place a hold on it. We select the item, and right here you can either do a one-click request or place request. So we'll go through both. One-click request, and you get a prompt. This item has been placed for pickup at Northern Lights. So I also want to see what else we can do. Let's put the 9th house on hold, and we're going to place a request. And here you can select your library. I'm going to select Northern Lights. And activation date, submit the request. You will also see a prompt here to continue. So those are both placed on request. So let's return to the search results. And perhaps I placed a hold that I didn't want. So we'll go into my accounts, requests, and I am going to cancel both of these. Cancel selected. You also have the option to change your pickup location or suspend and reactivate selected accounts. So if you were going away, you can suspend it and reactivate it when you get back. Canceling those. Submit. You can see the status as canceled.